It's Bonnie. Happy Friday! I got some more videos for you guys. I am burning a Kringle Halloween candle, and check it out. We're going to talk about the squirrel. So, oh my gosh, Bath and Body Works. I gotta say, this is one of the cutest candle holders I think I have seen. I got this during the 20% off sale, and I kind of debated because you know how I am about these flocked pieces. I'm kind of like, I don't know, the Santa, the Easter Bunny. I didn't love them. I absolutely love the squirrel. So, first of all, okay, here is the difference, I think. Number one, Santa is not furry. I mean, putting a flocked green or red Santa, wasn't there a pink one? I can't even remember. In front of me is a little strange. It's like eating green ketchup. It's just a little bit off. However, you put flocked velvet on a squirrel and it's totally delightful. Look at this. It looks like a fuzzy squirrel. Oh my gosh. I also love what really works here is the glitter. I don't know why, the gold glitter. It does come off a little bit. You notice the squirrel's a little shiny there. But for some reason, it just works. I love the pattern up here. This is adorable. So this one is actually $34.95. I got it for less because I got it for 20% off. I mean, this thing actually looks and feels like a fuzzy squirrel. So what I did was I got out, I love the Woodland Creatures collection from years ago. Look, it's got a squirrel. This is Cinnamon Irish Cream. There was something so magical about this collection. I wish they would do just like a redo of this collection for like semi-annual sale. That would be so cool. This was a really good one. I swear this was the best version of Cinnamon Irish Cream like ever. And look what it looks like on my beautiful flocked squirrel. As you guys know, I have so many squirrels in my like yard, and Coco always goes crazy. The only thing that's a little bit weird, and I don't notice this too much when I'm looking at it straight on. I noticed on the camera, the squirrel almost looks like he got into the mud a little bit. I don't notice that as much in person. I think it's because it's just my camera is picking up the shadows on the squirrel. But oh my, look at the tail on this thing. Absolutely adorable. I gotta say, this is like one of my favorite pieces. Okay, so the other squirrel piece that I wanted to share with you guys tonight, I'm gonna put up a screenshot. This is a squirrel with an acorn soap holder. I'm like, oh, I gotta get that. This is definitely on my total yay list. Like, I have to have this soap holder squirrel. It's adorable. I can't tell if that's kind of like a bronze or if it's like a glitter. I don't know. I gotta see this thing in person. I gotta get to Bath and Body Works. I've not been in there lately. But the acorns are gold. So I'm totally on board with the squirrel soap holder too. But I gotta say, this is actually one of my favorite fall pieces so far. Other fall candle holders, it's funny because Halloween always releases a little bit before fall. There's also the stoneware mushroom that's the single wick. And you know what? After seeing this mushroom in the car fragrance clip, I'm kind of like all about the mushroom. I gotta go in the store and see that mushroom. I like mushrooms. They're cute. Is that weird? Mushrooms are cute. I don't know. I have them all over my yard. I just run them over with the lawnmower. But you know what? I like whimsical fairy tale mushrooms as opposed to like my yard mushrooms, which are just like fungus. Fungi? My 8th grade biology teacher would cringe. Anyway, let me know what you guys think about the flock squirrel. This is going front and center. I think this one's going to live next to Tom the turkey in my collection. Anyway, I have to bring up Charlie. Remember Charlie, the squirrel water globe from like a couple years ago? I'm going to put Charlie next to, I've been calling this thing Squirrely. next to Squirrely, and I'm going to have a whole squirrel family. Anyway, let me know if you're getting this one. I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.